culture, people, and beauty landscape of my country to audience. And last night, after screening, I'm very happy because the film have received high appreciation and warm support from the filmmaker and audience in India. Yeah, I'm very happy. And I want to be able to find a partner to can distribute the Kyo movie widely in India. Because before Kyo movie is inspired by the very most famous classics of Vietnamese literature is The Tale of Kyo. It's by great poet Nguyễn Du. Yeah, and before attending this film festival, Kyo also participated in many film festivals and won many awards in the domestic and in the world, such as the Puppy Film Festival, Asian World Film Festival in the US, and we also submit Golden Global 2021. Yeah. And also at the same time, I want to invite all of you to visit my country, to visit a very beautiful landscape and have the opportunity to cooperate to make the movie, make the TV series between India and Vietnam. Yeah, I hope that. Yes, and I want once again I want to say thanks to organizer and my best friend, my new friend. I have wonderful memories in Shillong. It's a beautiful weather, beautiful place, and I have enjoyed delicious local food. Yeah, and I wear the Kachin traditional costume and take picture. Yes, and this afternoon I have the panel with the talented, beautiful, and empowered woman. It is my honor. Thank you so much, and have a good night. Thank you.